In this video, I'm going to share everything that you need to do to have a successful YouTube channel as a real estate agent in 2021. The strategies and tactics that I'm going to share with you are going to help you to generate massive amounts of leads and closings for free. I've helped other agents and team leaders with these exact same principles, and they are now closing 5 to 10 deals per month from YouTube within 12 months of starting their channel. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas, and I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Did you know that YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world? It's also the second most trafficked website just behind Google. YouTube was founded in 2005 by 3 PayPal employees above a pizzeria in San Mateo, California. In less than 2 years, they had sold the platform to Google for $1.65 billion. Today, over 1.9 billion people log into YouTube every month and consume over 1 billion hours of YouTube every day. YouTube, although it has many similarities to other social media platforms like gaining subscribers and promoting engagement, it's also very different in how your content is treated over time. Unlike Facebook, Instagram, and most other social media platforms, YouTube caters more to search, and therefore your content has a greater shelf life. The benefit of this to real estate agents is that with a basic publishing strategy and good channel mechanics, which I'm going to share with you today, you don't have to spend every day constantly creating new content and can focus more on closing homes. One of the first things you're going to need to do is find a few channels that you'd like to model your channel after. For real estate agents, I recommend checking out my good friend Greg Foster's channel, San Antonio, Texas Living, and John Pena's channel, Living in El Paso, Texas. You'll notice that both of these channels are real estate agents that are answering questions that buyers and sellers are asking in their respective markets. Next up, you'll need to create a good publishing plan. Determine which days and times you're going to upload and publish your videos. Also, how many videos are you going to consistently be able to post each week? Consistency is the key here. YouTube favors channels that publish regularly at the same time, plus your viewers begin to learn when your new videos are dropping, so they'll tune in. I find 1 or 2 videos per week is a good number. The goal here is quantity and quality. After that, we need to set up your channel. There are a few steps involved here, and I'll go over them with you. The first thing is your channel's name. When it comes to naming your channel, focus more on branding rather than keywords. I like using my name as my channel's name to build out my personal brand. Also, I figure my video's keywords will stand on its own, so no need to add keywords to my channel's name. Next up is your About Us page. This page is important because it lets people know more about you before they subscribe, and the information here shows up in search results for your channel, so it helps people to find you better. Next is the header image. The first thing people see when they come to your channel is your header. Your header should be simple and let the viewer know exactly what your channel is about and what they'll get if they subscribe. If you check out my channel header, you know exactly what I do and how I can help you. After that, it's the profile image. A lot of people put their logo here. I believe that's a mistake, and you should use a picture of yourself as it will drastically improve engagement. Next, we get to the channel trailer and description. When people first come to your channel page, they'll see a trailer video and description that should describe who you are, what type of content is on your channel, and why someone should subscribe. This video is only shown to those who are not subscribed yet, so tailor the video as such. When creating your trailer video, follow this simple format. Introduce yourself and welcome the viewer to your channel. Briefly tell your backstory and explain why you are qualified to create the videos you make. Then explain the value and why the viewer should subscribe to your channel and watch your videos. Share what your posting schedule is so they know when to expect new content. Then By the end of the video, ask the viewer to subscribe to your channel and turn on notifications. Make sure this video is no more than 60 to 120 seconds. Don't overanalyze and worry too much about your camera gear and top-notch quality. Shooting on most new iPhone and Android smartphones is typically more than fine. Just try to make sure your face is well lit and there isn't a bunch of external noise going on in the background. The first step to creating quality YouTube videos that show up in search is identifying keywords that are being searched for with low competition. Typically, for a local real estate agent, you're going to want to focus on keywords that include your city's name in the keyword phrase. Here's what I like to do. Head over to YouTube search, type in your city's name, for example, mine is San Antonio. Once you've typed that in, you'll likely get suggestions for other keyword phrases with San Antonio in them. Next, after typing San Antonio, hit space, then the letter A. See all of the keyword phrases that come up for A, then go to B. So on and so forth, all the way through the alphabet until you've identified some keywords that you feel you could make a video about. Add all of these keyword phrases to a list. Then do the exact same thing except put the letters in front of your city. So for example, A space San Antonio. Once you have a good list of these keyword phrases, type each keyword phrase into the search bar and see if additional long tail keywords come up. This exercise should yield you plenty of ideas for topics that you can create videos on in your target market. Also, don't think that every video you make has to be specific to real estate in your area. Creating a video that answers questions people might have about restaurants, activities, and other non-real estate related topics can put you in front of your target audience, which will overall lead to them reaching out to you about real estate. The other strategy that I like to deploy when building my video topic list is to check out the channels you aspire to be like and scroll down through their videos to see which ones received higher than average views for the channel. Be sure you're looking at their entire uploads and that you have it sorted by date published. This allows you to compare video views against all videos published at the same time. One great tool I highly recommend checking out to improve your keyword research is TubeBuddy. I've used TubeBuddy for over 2 years on my channel. This tool helps to determine keyword opportunities by showing you not only the estimated search volume of a keyword on YouTube, but also the competition from other videos created for the same keyword. If you'd like a free trial for TubeBuddy, click on the link in my description below. So now that you've done your research, set up your channel, and created a list of keywords to create videos on, it's time to start creating videos. If you've watched enough of my videos, you'll notice that all of my videos have the same format to them. The first thing you're going to want to do on your video is come up with a hook. A hook is the first 15 seconds of your video. You want to hook the viewer who just clicked on your video. Be sure to use the same words as you've used in your title to give the viewer confidence that they are watching the right video. Be sure to also let them know what they can expect to gain after watching the whole video. Next up is a trailer, and this part is optional. I don't have one on my channel just yet, but I am working on one. But it's about 4 to 5 seconds of a branded trailer. Don't put a 15 to 30 second trailer here or you'll lose too much of your audience. After that brief 4 to 5 second trailer, you're going to jump into the intro. This is where you explain to your viewer who you are and why they should listen to you. This should be around 15 to 30 seconds. Share a little bit about your story so that you can make a connection to your new viewer. Never assume they know who you are. After that, you're going to jump into the content. Here's where the bulk of your video's length will be made up. Keep this section to around 7 to 12 minutes. I like to create an outline ahead of time to keep me focused on what I need to cover and not get too long-winded. You may even consider typing or writing out the script as it'll help you finalize your thoughts and you'll come off as more prepared on video. The final thing on your video is your offer. Be sure to end your video with your closing call to action. Normally this is reminding viewers to comment and subscribe and like your video, but it can also include external actions like setting up a Zoom buyer or seller consultation or calling you for more information. Once you've created the raw video, you may need to do some slight editing. There are plenty of free and paid programs available to help you edit your video. I personally use Final Cut Pro, which is on the pricier side. However, iMovie, DaVinci Resolve are also two other fine options. Most programs make it pretty easy to learn the basics, like cutting and splicing clips together, adding on a short trailer to the beginning, and adding transitions and text to your video. Once you have your final video file, it's ready to upload to YouTube. Head over to your channel, hit the upload button, and upload with unlisted visibility. Unlisted just means that your video is on YouTube servers but is not yet visible to anyone without specifically sharing the link. This gives you time to go back and add tags, write a title and description, create a thumbnail, and schedule the video for your designed publishing time. So let me break those elements down a little bit further. The first thing we'll talk about is adding tags. Tags are additional ways for YouTube to know what your video is about and share it with the relevant audience searching for your video. Try to keep most of your tags focused on your specific video, but allow for some tags to be generic, like your name or brand. Don't get too far off topic though, or else you'll confuse the YouTube algorithm. All right, next up is your title. Your title should contain two elements: your keyword phrase and a strong hook to get someone to click. For example, pros and cons of San Antonio, 5 things you need to know. Try to keep the total length to less than 70 characters. Once you've done that, you're going to want to create your thumbnail with a hook on it. This is the visual hook that will grab viewers' attention and get them to click on your video versus another. Your thumbnail is the single most important element to having your videos receive views and growing your channel. Best practices are to use large faces and images, bright colors, and as few words as possible. Observe some of the types of thumbnails that popular creators you follow use. All right, and now you need to write your description with call to action links. Your description should be anywhere from 200 to 300 words. The first couple of sentences should contain your keyword, a brief overview of the video, and a call to action that's relevant to that video. This could be a link to sign up for a buyer or seller consultation, join your email list if you regularly email helpful information, or to call you for help buying or selling in your area. Also, you can add links to helpful YouTube playlists and other videos you think someone may want to watch after seeing the one they are on. You can also add up to 3 relevant hashtags in each of your descriptions, and I recommend doing so. Having as many viewers watch your videos once they are public is extremely helpful. The initial reaction on your videos will help tell YouTube if they should serve this video to other non-subscribers and people you don't direct to the video. Because of this, you'll want to promote your videos to your email list and social media following as soon as they are released. Since the people you tell and that follow you are your most loyal group, be sure to ask them to help you by liking the video, leaving a comment, and watching all the way to the end if they have the time. These 3 metrics are what then determines how many people YouTube will organically show your video to. If this second group of people like the video and are engaging with it, you'll continue to move up the ranks on the search results page and receive views far out into the future. Also, be sure to respond to every comment that comes in on your video. This is another ranking signal to YouTube and also encourages your audience to leave future comments as they know you see them and take the time to respond. Here are some things to monitor once you've posted a few videos and have been receiving data back in your YouTube Studio Analytics dashboard. Click-through rate. This benchmark determines how many people see your thumbnail and then actually click on it. I like to see around 6 to 8%, but anything above 4% and you're doing all right. 9 to 10% is amazing. Initial retention. Keeping people watching your videos past 1 minute is extremely important. I like to shoot for around 75% of viewers to make it past the 1 minute mark. If you're not regularly hitting this on your videos, you may want to look into your hook and intro and try and see if you can do something different to get them to watch longer into the video. And the last metric that I track very closely is overall retention. Overall retention tells you how many people make it to the end of your video. This is another important ranking factor for the YouTube algorithm. I like to shoot for around 35%. Anything above that is great. Less means you may need to work on shortening your videos or creating content that is more engaging. I typically recommend waiting until you've published around 10 to 15 videos before you take the analytics too seriously. Before that number, the data can be all over the place and it may not be very helpful. Well, there you have it. Everything to not only get your channel up and running, but also to create high quality content that gains views organically through YouTube search. Also, check out TubeBuddy. This one tool alone helped me take my channel from just a bunch of videos on YouTube to what you see it as today. I've received hundreds of thousands of views on my channel organically, and it's all because of TubeBuddy helping me to identify opportunistic keywords that pushed my videos to the top of search result pages. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. Finally, if you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you. Type NCREW in the comments and let me know you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. Let me know in the comments what's holding you back from starting a YouTube channel. Or if you've already started one, what's your biggest struggle? I'd love to help you grow your channel and build a real estate business that consistently brings in warm buyers and sellers. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.